Hello and welcome to Spanish Class with Evelyn Joy. Hola y bienvenidos a la clase de español con Evelyn Joy. Spanish is one of the top 3 most used languages in the world, so you're spending your time wisely learning it. You have in your brain the capacity to learn language. I know because you've already learned one. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about how to talk about the date. First, we're going to talk about what day is it. ¿Qué día es hoy? October 3rd, 2017. 3 de octubre de 2017. It's important to note that the number of the day comes first in Spanish. We use the word de, which means of. So we're saying the 3rd of October of 2017. Another thing that's important to note is that the month is not capitalized in Spanish like it is in English. It's also very important to note that because the day of the month goes first, when shortening the date to just numbers and dashes, remember that the first number you see is the day and not the month like in English. This can get very confusing. Just remember it. The word first is primero. So if you want to say January 1st, you say primero de enero. Remember that the month is not capitalized. It is lowercase in Spanish. These words are extremely useful when talking about the day. Today, hoy. Yesterday, ayer. Tomorrow, mañana. Week, semana. The weekend, el fin de semana. You're literally saying the end of week. Last week, la semana pasada, the week past. Next week, la semana que viene, the week that comes. In Spanish, the week begins with Sunday, and again, the days of the week are not capitalized like in English. Okay, here's a song to learn the days of the week. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Now let's review the numbers you'll need to know in order to talk about the date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The numbers 11 through 19 are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The numbers 20 through 31 are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Here's a song to remember the months of the year. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Good morning in Spanish is buenos días. Good afternoon in Spanish is buenas tardes. You can think of when you're late for school, you're tardy. You get a tardy slip. Tardy means late. So late in the day is the afternoon. Buenas tardes. Good night in Spanish is buenas noches. Have a good week in Spanish is que tengas una buena semana. that you would have a good week. Have a good weekend. Es que tengas un buen fin de semana. That's all, folks. Thanks for coming. Stay safe out there. You're welcome.
I hope you was too.
That was fun. Let's do it again sometime. Love you lots. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Nos vemos.